Welcome to Degenerate EDC. EDC done degenerately. Today, we got beef. And we're doing another unboxing. Special guest appearance, CRKT M40. Another deal I found on Amazon, which unfortunately is no longer available. I'll still leave a link just in case it is, but this here package is now a rare one. Today, we meet the Flytanium Beef. I am not familiar with this brand. This is my very first one, so this is going to pop my cherry. A nice sticker. We love stickers, the degenerate kind. And here we are. Heavy as shit. Look at this beast of a knife. Now it makes sense why the box it was stored in is heavy as shit too. Check the peel ply and G10 contoured scales and textured matte finish. Is that an anodized aluminum thumb stud on both sides? Nice. You got the crossbar lock, making it ambidextrous on deployment. Can do this with either hand. Slick, easy. You don't need much. You don't need much. Is that a drop point blade or modified? Looks also like a harpoon clip point. If you plan to EDC this one, you're gonna feel it every time, everywhere, on every motion, because this thing is absolutely degenerate. It makes its presence known. The size is sometimes unbearable. Reversible pocket clip, 410 stainless steel hardware, nested steel liners, and a G10 backspacer. Extra thick like a chick, the kind you like to grip. This knife is easy to switch from left and right hand carry, which is what I love about this. Sometimes I feel like a left, sometimes I feel like a right. A completely ambidextrous knife suited for absolutely anyone. I'm no expert. I'm just a degenerate who is here to show you all. Knife so unnecessarily thick, it feels like it was forged out of pure disrespect for minimalism. I opened the box expecting a knife. What I got was a lifestyle choice. I mean, look at this thing. It feels like I'm holding something huge and girthy, something thick, and it feels legit. You can't really beat this, but it's big and sharp. Right out the box, this thing is ready for action. Man, I can't tell you, I love the way it feels. It feels very secure, ergonomic grip in any condition, keeping a comfortable and safe feel to every position. All right, first test. A simple USB cable. A normal knife would slice it. The beef doesn't slice. It erases. Yeah, the force of the cut knocked my camera over. That's when I realized this thing might actually be too powerful for the mortal realm. But it's efficient, it slices, but keep in mind, it takes up your entire hand. Let's check this box. I want to test the precision, because if a knife can destroy, it should also create. So I took a small box, and I'm gonna attempt to make a circle. And here we go. The precision, huge blade. Here we go. Precision at its finest. So here, I took a small box, attempted a circle, and somehow the beef delivered. A circle so clean, it felt like geometry class, but with consequences. That circle, that's a mean circle right there. Looking like it's angry at the world. Someone give it a hug. In most cases, the bigger knife can always do what the smaller knife can do, but the smaller knife can't always do what the big one can do. So I've done these tests with smaller knives. I want to see how a big, bulky, girthy knife does on some precision cutting action. So we're going to cut some linear windows. We're going to make a little house. We're going to see what we can do. We're going to see if we can get one of my friends off the streets and into a new home today. So here we go. Precision cutting at its finest by the Flytanium Beef. Look at that. Slick and slicey. No issues. This tip is puncturing with ease. There you have it. And look at that. Slice, clean cuts. We got ourselves a hot box here, ready for a tenant. We got absolute vacancy in our newest place, our newest establishment. And what do you do with the perfect cardboard circle? You build a home for a creature who understands true degeneracy. Ladies and gentlemen, meet my beaver companion, which I've adopted from the streets. Black hoodie, zero fear, maximum vibes. All part of the tribe. This is how a house is built by the beef, powered by the chaos, approved by degenerates everywhere. Last and final test. Let's see if this thing can really slice after assembling the little house on the prairie for the street beaver named Terry. Laser cut finish in your face. The Flytanium Beef is not the most practical. It's not the most reasonable. It's not even trying to be a little bit normal. And that's exactly why the beef is real. If you're into this, please smash that like button and subscribe. Join the Degenerate EDC tribe. Thanks for tuning in to this degeneracy. I've got tons more Degenerate videos. Click the link on the lower left. YouTube thinks you might like it.